the silent threshold of transformation. Have you ever felt a strange sense of calm after a difficult chapter in your life? Not the calm of giving up, but the peace that follows an inner storm. This moment often marks a profound shift in consciousness. It isn't a reward for your struggles or proof that you've succeeded. It is the natural result of releasing what no longer serves you. The greatest test in life is rarely about what you can achieve. Instead, it is about what you are willing to let go of. Old beliefs, painful identities, and the need to constantly prove yourself slowly dissolve. When that happens, you quietly cross a threshold into a new way of being. Real transformation begins the moment you stop fighting to become someone else and allow your authentic self to emerge naturally. Quantum reality and the observer. Quantum physics offers a fascinating metaphor for personal transformation through Wheeler's delayed choice experiment. In this experiment, a photon behaves differently depending on whether it is observed, suggesting that reality is shaped through participation rather than existing as something completely fixed. In the same way, your identity remains full of possibilities until you stop identifying with old stories. The barrier you thought was holding you back was never an external obstacle. It was a mirror reflecting your own self-image. The breakthrough happens when you stop trying to fix the reflection and simply turn away from it. By releasing attachment to who you believed you had to be, you allow a new reality to emerge from within. The illusion of the separate self. Many spiritual teachers and neuroscientists suggest that the self we constantly defend is largely a mental construction. Philosopher Jiddu Krishnamurti explained that the thinker and the thought are not separate. The mind creates both the problem and the one trying to solve it. This means the endless pursuit of self-improvement can become another trap of the ego. The final test is not becoming a better version of yourself, but letting go of the need to become anything at all. When you stop trying to prove your worth, seek validation, or chase perfection, you discover a deeper awareness that has always existed beneath the noise of the mind. Letting the old identity collapse, your old identity required constant effort to maintain. Every fear, insecurity, and emotional pattern demanded energy to keep the familiar version of yourself alive. From the perspective of thermodynamics, this highly ordered identity was unstable and expensive to sustain. Eventually, life reaches a point where maintaining it becomes impossible. Instead of rebuilding the same structure, true transformation asks you to let it collapse completely. This process often feels like grief, confusion, or even the death of who you thought you were. Yet within this uncomfortable space lies the greatest breakthrough. The courage to remain in the unknown without rushing back to your old identity is what truly transforms you. Seeing the world with new eyes. Your brain constantly filters information through a system called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. It focuses your attention based on your beliefs and identity. When your old identity dissolves, these filters begin to reset. Suddenly, the world feels different. You notice opportunities, meaningful coincidences, and deeper connections that were previously hidden. This experience can feel both exciting and disorienting because your familiar way of seeing reality has disappeared. Many people immediately build a new identity, often a spiritual one, to regain certainty. But lasting transformation happens when you resist that urge and remain open. In that openness, life begins revealing itself with greater clarity than ever before. The power hidden in emptiness. Quantum field theory teaches that even empty space is never truly empty. The quantum vacuum is filled with invisible energy and limitless potential. Likewise, the emptiness you experience after letting go of your old identity is not a void. It is a space of infinite possibility. Beneath every role, belief, and personal story exists your irreducible essence, the deepest part of your being. This is your inner zero point, untouched by fear or expectation. Although this stage may feel uncomfortable, it is actually the birthplace of your next chapter. Instead of fearing the silence, learn to trust it. Within stillness, life quietly prepares something entirely new to emerge. Living in the gap transformation is strengthened through awareness. During the coming days, simply notice the moments when your old habits try to return. Perhaps you feel the urge to defend yourself, seek approval, or repeat familiar emotional reactions. Instead of resisting these impulses, observe them. Between the appearance of the old pattern and your response lies a small but powerful space. This gap is where freedom begins. Every time you witness your conditioning without acting on it, your nervous system rewires itself. This awareness is not analysis or judgment. It is quiet observation. The more often you remain present in this space, the less control your old identity has over your life. The holographic universe within you. Physicist David Bohm proposed that the visible world emerges from a deeper hidden order where everything is interconnected. According to this view, separation is only an appearance. Consciousness itself participates in creating reality rather than simply observing it. Your transformation is not happening in isolation. It is part of a much larger unfolding process.